Hey YouTube, what's up? Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a vanilla cupcake. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to use any color clay for the bottom of it. I recommend using colors that are like the bottom of a muffin or bread color. So basically like dough color. So what you're going to do is you're going to try to get the desired cupcake shape. I tried to have the desired cupcake shape, but it didn't work out exactly, so I decided to just end up making it instead a little circle. Next thing I did, I put the cupcake so far into its tray thing. Next thing I did, I made the frosting part of the cupcake. It's basically just like making a whipped cream in all my other videos. Then I added some sprinkles and a cute little platform. So I hope you liked today's video, you guys. It was a lot of fun for me to make. A lot of people said that I should make a vanilla cupcake as well. So here's how it came out. Like this, like that, right? And I really like the sprinkles on top. I think they're really cute. Also, it came with this kind of like plate thing that I put at the bottom. So yeah, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Love you guys so much. Mwah.